What is that, a box of VHS tapes?
Oh, you don't want to know what's in this box. Actually, you do. It's new controllers from my favorite 8BitDo.
You shill.
I know. I'm sorry. This is what I saw at E3 at their booth. This is new color schemes for their SN30 Bluetooth gamepad. So I haven't heard this officially, but I think Nintendo has gotten to a little spat over them manufacturing colors that looks exactly like the original.
It feels very Nintendo colorist.
Yeah, well, so yeah, the idea behind these new color schemes, which we got yellow, we got a green, we got a purple, we got red, and we got something that looks like the original Game Boy. So the idea behind this color scheme is, hey, Nintendo can't come after us if we're doing Game Boy colors on a Super Nintendo controller, supposedly. So, you know, the functionality-wise, they should be exactly the same. I haven't opened these boxes yet, so let's
open up one.
Yeah, let's open up one, see if there's anything different. The packaging is new, I will say that. Okay, yeah, a little change to the packaging. Got this nice little plastic cover, and there it is. So nice little sticky over the buttons. So the buttons still feel good. A little stiff because it's brand new. But yeah, oh, and no upgrade to USB-C on these guys yet. Hopefully that upgrade will come soon. Yeah, and the charging cable and your little instruction booklet. So the first iteration came with a nice little keychain. It's like a commemorative thing, but so nothing too fancy. But you know,
are these the same price?
These are the same price, $30. Which, you know, I reviewed these last year when it was the normal color scheme. I mean, I loved it. I gave it either a 4.5 or a 5, I can't remember, but I mean, if you're looking for a Super Nintendo style controller to play your emulated games on, or if you're looking for something for the Switch, I mean, these are perfect.
So if I am looking, how can I get one?
I mean, they're on Amazon. Amazon's definitely the easiest way to get one.
What are you going to do with all these extra ones, though? You have so many.
That is a good question. We might have to do something with them. The last thing here in the box is the SN30 Pro.
All right.
This is the same thing. This is nothing new, but once again, it just has the Game Boy color scheme.
Okay.
Because the original one looked too much like a Super Nintendo controller, so they're trying to cross the streams here and do Game Boy themed colors on Super Nintendo controllers, and hopefully not get some flack from Nintendo. Once again, I don't know if that's the official story, but that's what I've heard. And this controller, I also love. Let's open up this packaging real quick. Oh, I'll point out the sub name for this is the G Classic Edition. Obviously, Game Boy Classic Edition. They can't just say Game Boy Classic. So let's open this up. See if there's anything new in this one. This one's a little more expensive, but I think it is super worth it if you're looking for a portable controller on the go. I love these. Oh, you know what? It's got this interesting new
there's like a little star button in the corner. What is it? Those buttons at the bottom.
So this is home and share. Okay. This allows functionality on a Xbox One, on a Switch, on a PS4. Or PC, obviously. So this one does have the USB Type-C, but this is nothing new. This is all the same stuff, just in a new color scheme and a new packaging. So, yeah.
I like at the bottom. You show the bottom off, or the other part.
This side?
No, the other side.
This side.
It can tell you which player number you are too.
Oh, yep. Is that on these ones? I can't remember. No, they're not. Yeah, so it's just on these guys. Once again, this is not just for retro gaming, kind of like these are. This you can use on any major console. It's got all the buttons, all the functionality, just now with the new Game Boy Classic color scheme. So, you know, I'm excited, but I'm also excited for the new. Man, I can't remember the name of it, but the one that adds the grips. I think it was the SN30 Pro Plus that has like PlayStation style hand grips. I have not gotten that yet, but I am looking forward to that because I have larger hands and it'll fit better. But I still think these are pretty awesome if you're in the market for a third-party controller that you want to be able to throw in your bag and go. So yeah, updates from 8BitDo. And be sure to check back on PC World for more PC and gaming and Android coverage. So see you later.